Hi, it's Natalie with WTI, and if you're a parent, then you know that having toys that your little one will play with for hours on end, but are also going to be beneficial to them, are go-to toys. That's why I love this dinosaur sensory play box from Carolart. My son is so obsessed with this sensory box. He goes to sleep, and when he wakes up, he's immediately asking me for this sensory box. And I don't mind giving it to him because it's helping him build hand-eye coordination, his language skills. I feel that his vocabulary has expanded using the sensory box. He's able to not only name what animal he sees, but the colors of them, and he's also building fine motor skills, which is a big plus. Sometimes as a parent, we have a lot of things on our plate. So even though I've always wanted to build my son a sensory box, I've never been creative enough to put one together. So I like that this toy does it all for me. I don't have to think of what I'm going to be putting in the sensory box. It comes with everything you need. I also like that when your little one is done playing with it, it's so easy to store. You can easily put it in the closet and it's ready for their next time they're going to play. So if you're looking for a fantastic toy for a little one, definitely get the sensory box from Carolart. That's my point of view.